Hello viewers, welcome to the channel of Seek Academy. My name is Neha Bhatia and I am an English trainer. Today we are going to discuss certain tips and tricks about how to practice speaking English without a partner. All of us know that speaking English has become very important in today's world. And in order to survive, survival of the fittest is the battle cry of young generation. So now let's move to our topic. So the first tip I have to share with you guys is phone addiction. Oh wow, you guys have phone addiction? Now grab your phone quickly and start utilizing this technology for your benefit. Grab your phone, pick a random topic and just start talking about that topic for 2 minutes or 3 minutes and start recording your voice. Once you're done recording your voice, quickly grab a pen and paper and start listening to that audio clip. Now, jot down all the mistakes as per your point of view that you have mistake or that you have made, so that in future you can refrain from making those mistakes. Now, let's move to our another point. That is, mirror is your best friend. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Mind it, this is not the question that you need to ask to that beautiful mirror hanging on the wall. Instead, stand in front of that mirror, again pick a random topic and start talking to your own reflection in the mirror. This way, you will know how to use your hand gestures, you will be able to look at your facial expressions while talking, and you will have a feeling that you have a friend just in front of you and can talk to that person. Now, let's move to another topic, another tip. That is, watch television. Yeah, you heard it right. Do you love watching television? Even I love to. But mind it, you do not need to watch your favorite episode or serial in your own mother tongue. Instead, start watching English news channels, or you can actually start watching Discovery Channel or any English web series of your own choice. This way, you will get hold of this language, you will develop the listening skill of this language, you can learn the art of voice modulation, and you can also increase your IQ level as well. Now, let's move to another tip we have. Go with the flow. Yes guys, if you think while talking you have made certain mistake, at the back of your mind, you know that. But please, mind it, do not be conscious about that. Instead, go with the flow. This way, if there is a listener in front of you who's listening to you, might not notice that mistake, and you can actually save yourself from making certain mistakes in the further conversation. So the last tip I have to share with you guys is rate of speech. Guys, make sure, do watch your rate of speech. Try to use controlled rate of speech. This way, you can get extra few seconds to think about another sentence that you are going to utter out of your mouth. So guys, that's for the days. Now what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and start practicing. Thank you.